In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own Garmin watch face. So this is really useful if you want to go and change the background on your Garmin watch. Now to do this, we first need to go and head over to our iPhone and you need to go and load up the App Store. Now once you're on the App Store, click on the search box and you need to go and type in Connect IQ and then press search. You then need to go and install this app here, which is Connect IQ Store, and just give that a few seconds while it installs to your phone. Once it's finished installing, click on Open and make sure to allow all of the different notifications. You can then go and sign in to your Garmin account, make sure to agree to the terms and conditions and press Next. And once you're on this screen here, you need to go and click on Face It in the bottom navigation. You can then click on the plus icon in the bottom left-hand side, and you'll now need to go and choose where you want to take this photo from. So you can either upload a photo that's already saved in your camera gallery, or you can also go and take a new photo as well. So I'm just going to click on Photos at the top, make sure to allow full access, and then you'll need to select the photo that you want to add to your Garmin watch. You'll then see a bunch of different layouts that you can choose from for the watch face. Now I'm just going to select this top one here. You'll then see a preview of exactly what this will look like on your Garmin. You can go and change any of these different settings. I'm just going to press save over in the top right hand side and click on save. Once it's finished, you'll need to click on this install button and then give that a few seconds while it now installs onto your Garmin watch. You can see that after a couple of seconds on our watch, it will now display this new background image, and that's how to customize the watch face of your Garmin. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.